Hello there, just want to shoot a quick video on how to change the rear brake pad on a 2014 Harley Davidson Roadster. Sportster, sorry, not Roadster. Sportster, super low. So this is it. I got my back seat off already over there. Basically, all you're going to do, when I bought these brake pads, because this is the first time I changed the back on this one since I had it, that's what they look like. And they said this is what type of material is this? It's the bulletproof material. It's called teflon. So anyways, this is how they came. It came in the box. It looked like this. And I got the front and the back. I'm just doing the back right now. So that's it right there. And this is what these babies look like. Anyways, really quick, all you do, I got 2 flathead screwdrivers. You're just gonna want to push the original brake pads back in there. So if you see right here, you're gonna push those back, the original ones. Otherwise, they're gonna be too tight to pull out. So you push that one back with that screwdriver. Just leave it there. Then get another screwdriver if you can, and push this other one back. I don't know if you can see it. So I got that one pushed back, and I have that one pushed all the way back. I don't know if you can see, but that's the old brake pads pushed all the way back with 2 screwdrivers. You can leave them in or you can take them out. I took them out. Then all you're gonna do, super easy, this bolt right here, just take it out. Just 1 second. And you want to use an 8mm socket. Let's take this out. So that comes out like that. Ah, come on. Sometimes you gotta pull this out, I guess. Ah, I guess this is one of those times. Ah, just like that. Bam. This little retaining clip, the X part goes this way, and the T part right here goes that way. But yeah, that's it. That comes out, and then you'll see, once that comes out, then these brake pads just boop, boop, pop right out. That one comes out. That's what the old war one looked like. You see that? It's starting to squeal. This one was starting to squeal. And then you just take the new ones and put them in. You just slide right in there and put the retaining clip back on, and you're all done. Thanks for watching. Bye.